take away. He shift a trencher. He scrape a trencher.
Potman, where's Potman? Oh, Peter, and good manners show I only one of two men's hands, and they are washed too. 'Tis a foul thing.
Away with the joint stools. Remove the cord cupboard. Look to the plate. Good thou, Peter, save me a piece of marzipan. And as thou loves me, let the porter let in Susan Grindstone and Nell, Anthony, and here's Potpan.
Hi, girl, ready?
You are looked for and called for, asked for and sought for in the great chamber.
We cannot be here and there too. Jeremy, boys and girls. Jeremy. Be brisk a while, and the longer liver take all.
Look to the plate. Look to the plate. Peter, where's Peter?
Ready?
Ugh.
Welcome, masked gentlemen, welcome. Your servant, gentlemen, ladies that have their toes unplagued with corns will have a bout with you. My mistresses, which of you all will now deny to dance? She that makes dainty, she I'll swear hath corns.
I'll dance, my lord.
I come near ye now. Welcome, gentlemen. I have seen the day that I have worn a visor and could tell a whispering tale in a fair lady's ear, such as would please. 'Tis gone, 'tis gone, 'tis gone. You're welcome, gentlemen. Come, musicians, play on. A hole, give room. And foot it, girls. All right, you knaves, and turn the tables up and quench the fire. The room is grown too hot.
What's the fire?
The fire! Move the tables back!
All right.
Sirrah, this unlooked-for sport comes well.
I, cousin.
They sit, good cousin Capulet. For you and I are past our dancing days. How long is it now since last yourself and I were in the mass?
By your lady, 30 years.
What, man? 'Tis not so much. 'Tis not so much since the nuptial of Lucentio, come Pentecost as quickly as it will, some 25 years. And then we mass.
Oh, 'tis more. His son is elder, sir. His son is 30.
Will you tell me that? His son was but a ward 2 years ago.
Oh, nay, cousin, nay. Sir, what lady's that which doth enrich the hand of yonder knight?
I know not, sir.
She doth teach the torches to burn bright. It seems she hangs upon the cheek of night like a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear. Beauty too rich for use, for earth too dear. So shows a snowy dove trooping with crows, as yonder lady o'er her fellows shows. The measure done, I'll watch her place of stand, and touching hers make blessed my rude hand. What did my heart love till now? Forswear its sight, for I ne'er saw true beauty till this night.
But this by his voice should be a Montague. Fetch me my rapier, boy. What? Dares the slave come hither, covered with an antique face, to fleer and scorn at our solemnity? I'm now by the stock and honor of my king to strike him dead. I hold it not a sin.
That shall not tittle. Wherefore start you so?
Uncle, this is a Montague, our foe, a villain that is hither come in spite, to scorn at our solemnity this night.
Young Romeo, is it?
'Tis he, that villain Romeo, masked.
Content thee, gentle coz, let him alone. He bears him like a portly gentleman, and to say truth, Verona brags of him to be a virtuous and well-governed youth. I would not for the wealth of all this town here in my house do him disparagement. Therefore be patient, take no note of it.
Uncle,
it is my will, the which if thou respect, show a fair presence and put off these frowns, and ill-beseeming semblance for a feast.
It fits but such a villain as a guest. I'll not endure it.
It shall be endured. What goodman boy? I say he shall go too. Am I the master here, or you go too? You'll not endure him? Go, submit my soul. You'll make a mutiny among my guests. You will set cock-a-hoop. You'll be the man.
Why, uncle, 'tis a shame.
Go, go. You are a saucy boy. It's so indeed. This trick may chance to scathe you. I know what. You must contrary me. Marry, 'tis time. Well said, my heart. You are a princox. Go be quiet. More light. For shame, I'll make you quiet. Oh, cheerly, my heart.
Yes, my lord.
I do beseech you.
Patience, perforce, with willful color meeting, makes my flesh tremble in that different greeting. I will withdraw. But this intrusion shall, now seeming sweet, convert to bitterest gall.
If I profane with my unworthiest hand this holy shrine, the gentle sin is this: my lips, two blushing pilgrims, ready stand to smooth that rough touch with a tender kiss.
Good pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much, which mannerly devotion shows in this. For saints have hands that pilgrims' hands do touch, and palm to palm is holy palmer's kiss.
Have not saints lips, and holy palmers too?
Aye, pilgrim, lips that they must use in prayer.
Oh, then, dear saint, let lips do what hands do. They pray. Grant thou, lest faith turn to despair.
Saints do not move, though grant for prayer's sake.
Then move not, while my prayer's effect I take. Thus from my lips by thine my sin is purged.
Then have my lips the sin that they have took.
Sin from my lips? Oh, trespass sweetly urged, give me my sin again.
You kiss by the book.
Madam, your mother craves a word with you.
Oh, good sir.
What is her mother?
Married bachelor, her mother is the lady of the house, and a good lady, and a wise and virtuous. I nursed her daughter, that you talked withal. I tell you, he that can lay hold of her shall have the chinks.
Is she a Capulet? Oh, dear account. My life is my foe's debt.
Romeo, away, begone. The sport is at the best.
Aye, so I fear. The more is my unrest.
Hey, gentlemen, prepare not to be gone. We have a trifling foolish dessert towards.
My lord, we'll take our leave.
Is it so? Why then, I thank you all. I thank you, honest gentlemen. Good night. More torches here.
Good night, my lord. Good night, my lord.
Good night, yeah. Come on, then, let's to bed. Ah, sirrah, by my fay, it waxes late. I'll to my rest.
Come hither, nurse.
My lamb,
What is yonder gentleman?
the son and heir of old Tiberio.
What's he that now is going out of door?
Marry, that, I think, be young Petruchio.
What's he that follows there that would not dance?
I know not.
Go ask his name.
I will, my lamb.
If he be married, my grave is like to be my wedding bed.
Ah, his name is Romeo, and a Montague, the only son of your great enemy.
My only love sprung from my only hate, too early seen unknown and known too late. Prodigious birth of love it is to me that I must love a loathed enemy.
What's this? What's this?
A rhyme I learnt even now of one I danced withal.
Juliet? Juliet! Anon, anon! Come, let's away. Oh, the strangers all are gone.